Okay, guys, we have here an Oldsmobile Toronado, a very old, clean Oldsmobile Toronado. And this thing is front-wheel drive because you can see from this very long front end, this thing is very nice and clean, a very clean car. And the thing about it, I can't get but only so much of it because we got limited room, limited space, but you guys can see from the back how this thing is sitting. And it has those air vents back here for the, for the flow of air. Because those were the ones, you had to be very careful with these model cars because of rain getting down in there and causing mold. So it was meant for smokers to let more air to come and flow through the car for the exhaust of secondhand smoke on the inside. But the thing about it, for the purpose of making it that way, the rain actually defeated the purpose when it got caught down in there. So there's several cars that was like that. General Motors did, and so did the other two automakers. And the thing about it, it was a great idea, but it lost the purpose when the rain got in. But as we look in, it's a very beautiful, clean, comfortable Oldsmobile. Look at these seats, man. For this old front wheel drive car, you had plenty of headroom and plenty of body room and leg room down in there. Because if you can see down, the pedals are all the way down, but there's no type of transmission hump right there in the middle of the car. This is all solid. And this is how they were building these bad boys, man. This is a beautiful find right here. And this is a beautiful car. I can't say it enough. Gateway gets some of the nicest cars in here, man. I mean, look at the front end of this thing. It's beautiful. It's very beautiful Oldsmobile. If I was in the market for this, I'd buy it. Hands down, man, I wouldn't fool around. I would buy it, This thing is gorgeous, man. This one is gorgeous, and guess what? We got a Riviera just sitting over here just like it. And I'm going to do that too. But right now, we're looking at this 1967 Toronado, 425 V8, 3-speed automatic, gold on black. And that's the selling price. If you're interested in this car, I'll be sure to leave the information for contacting someone at the end of the video. And as I said before, I can never tell you how to spend your hard-earned money. But if you want a car like this, it's sitting here at Gateway Classic Cars, just outside Chicago, guys. Later, guys.